inspiring colors globally. What's new today in Shivani Boutique? It's going to be Chanderi, silk by cotton, cottons and with value added dupattas like this which I am wearing. Let's start the show. The first product is this which I am having. The same to same one. This is Chanderi silk by cotton fabric where you have got all over block printed. See this design? All over block printed it is. And the pant is this and then the dupatta is this. Such a beautiful, amazing value added dupatta. The advantage of this dupatta is it's very lightweight. See how it is? The second color is this. It's a jet black color. Same concept. The fabric is very lightweight and skin friendly as well. The pant is of the same color and let me open the dupatta and show. Dupatta is the highlighting thing in this. See this, such a beautiful dupatta. Alright. The third color is this. It's a deep blue color. It's not black. It's a very deep navy blue color concept and the fabric is the same. Silk by cotton fabric and all over block printed and this is the pant for this and this comes along with a dupatta. This is a blue color, it's not black, it's a deep blue color. And my fourth color is this, it's a navy blue, indigo blue. Indigo blue, it's little darker side, alright, and see the combination, it's so pretty and beautiful looking. And the fabric is the same, silk by cotton fabric with an amazing hand block printed all over. So this is the top is very lightweight and this is the pant for this and this comes along with the multicolored dupatta. कितना अच्छा रंग है इसी में. The next concept is this. This is value added with neck pattern. It's a hand worked neck pattern. It's a pure cotton by Chanderi fabric. Alright, and there are 3 different colors in this. Let me open and show the color. Let me check for the fabric once again. It's a pure cotton actually. And see this. The top is this. With all over printed. And this is the neck pattern for this. And this is the pant for this. And this is the dupatta. It's a silk cotton dupatta, hand block printed one. Such an amazing thing, hand block printed, and this is the top of this. These two are the different colors in that. The first one is a maroon color and the second color is a deep black color. And the concept is this one and the same with a maroon pant and with a hand block printed dupatta. And this is a black color top with a black color pant with a hand block printed silk cotton dupatta. The next concept is this. This is being hand embroidered. You can see beautiful embroideries, minute works on the top. Let me open the top and show you guys. The print is really amazing where you can find minute abla work here and there all over the top. That is in the front portion. So this is how the top comes and it's a printed pant, alright, and then with a synthetic dupatta. So, concept is this. So, this is how the top look. And the second color is this. Nice, beautiful contrast matching. See this. So, this is the top for this where you can find embroideries on the neck. And this is a printed pant and once again it's a synthetic dupatta. Actually it looks like a chiffon dupatta. Nice chiffon dupatta it is. Very nice chiffon dupatta. Indigo blue color top with a beautiful abla works on the neck pattern. Something really nice and soft. It's all hand block printed fabric. See this? So this is how the top look. And this is the same color pant and see the dupatta. It's a silk cotton dupatta where you have got beautiful goda patti work and hand block printed as well. So the matching goes this way. Let me keep on me and show you guys. So This is how it looks. The next one is the same color concept, indigo blue. The concept is entirely different. Color concept is the same. Work is entirely different, where you can find beautiful gotapatti work on the top. It's hand embroidered gotapatti. See this. So this is how it is. The neck panel is this way, and this is the bottom for this, and it comes with an amazing chiffon dupatta with all those lovely tassels. And now comes our beautiful shibori printed chanderi by cotton fabric. Let me open this and show you guys. And this is a deep reddish pink color fabric. It's a chanderi, soft chanderi, slim fit as well. See how beautifully it is done. Workmanship, it is all shiboris. And this is the band for this. And once again, it's an amazing chanderi by silk shibori dupatta. So the advantage of this is it's very lightweight. So this is how it looks. And the second color is this. The second color is this. It's a pale parrot green, maybe. Not very bright, but still the color is so beautiful and pleasant as well. So shibori printed top, and this is the band for this. The color is so beautiful in this. This is our top hit design in shibori printed, and now it has come in another beautiful color. Let me open and show you. It's a very decent and brilliant design as well. I love this design personally. Yes, this is how the top look. Here we can find geometrical designs in the top, and down it comes this printed. It's all shibori printed, such an amazing concept. And this is the pant for this plain cotton pant. And once again, I wanted to open the dupatta and show you. It's such a beautiful, amazing dupatta. See this? So brilliantly done. It's very lightweight. The color combination is pretty amazing. See this? And how do I look in this color? Ikat printed top. Ash color it is. Nice, beautiful color combination. See this. So with a patchwork on the neck, this comes this way, and it's a plain pant, and then it comes with an amazing dupatta. I will open the dupatta, keep it on me and show you so that the richness of the fabric will be seen. How beautiful it is. Spreading colors globally. So see this. Such a nice concept. So this is how it looks. The next one is this. It's an yellow based simple cotton with a patchwork on the top, and then this is the pant for this, and the surprise is this dupatta. I love this dupatta. See this, how beautifully it is done. It's a chanderi printed dupatta. Lovely it is. Oh my god, it's so amazing. The concept is really great. It looks like an ikat kind of concept, and then see the top. This is how it looks. The next concept is this simple and decent one. Office wears, casual wear, however you can wear this. So for prices and product descriptions, you can log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the oblique or 9585501760. Alright. See, this is a beautiful patch. The patch, if you think it is little longer, you can fold it, you can cut it over here and make it till here, because the length of the fabric is really good. And then this is the pant for this, and see this dupatta, soft cotton printed, hand block printed. These are all hand block printed dupattas. Let me check. Nice dupattas. Such a beautiful dupatta. It's a printed dupatta. beige color silk cotton top with embroidery works. So see this? Nice, decent and simple wear. This material, especially this material, doesn't need any maintenance because it's a silk cotton fabric. And this is how the top look. And the pant for this is a contrast matching, and it's a shibori hand block printed dupatta. Lovely color it is. See the color. It's a green family actually, but still. See this. How pretty, beautiful it's looking on me. And the next one is this. It's an indigo blue border embroideries all over. Let me open and show you guys. This concept is our top head design as well. See this, you can find beautiful bordered embroidery. It means it has holes till here. You can find the holes here. And this is the pant for this. And once again, it's a Kota Doria dupatta. Dupatta, it has a hand embroideries all over abla works, and see the dupatta is very light and lightweight. These are the 4 different printed fabric. It's really a casual wear, office wear, regular wear, and the maintenance is also very simple and easy, zero maintenance. The prints are one and the same, but the color concepts are entirely different. Let me open and show you the colors. I love the print, especially the print is really great. See, this is the printed top. Printed top, and then it's a printed vertical stripe pant, and it comes with along with this soft cotton dupatta. The second color is this, and this comes with this matching. The third color is this, and this comes with this matching. And the fourth color is this, and this comes with this matching. And my last printed fabric is this. This is as same as such, but only the colors differ. See this. Such a nice kashish color with maroon and mustard embroideries all over. It's not embroidery, printed all over. And this is the pant for this. Lovely color it is. And this is the dupatta for this. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed seeing our beautiful collections in casual wears. So if you have any doubts regarding the colors or prices, anything, and if you want to have a video call as well, you can contact us. 9585501762 is our WhatsApp number. Please fix the appointment so that we'll be right away. Definitely we'll be contacting you as well. And or else you can straight away click the whole link which we have mentioned in the video, or is www.shivanisboutique.com, under the heading cotton salwar materials. So you can find all the collections right now which we have shown. Thank you so much. We'll meet you soon with lots and lots of colorful collections spreading colors globally. And this is Hema signing off.